What if an AI model only needed three numbers, -1, 0, and 1, to match models that use 65,000 possible values per weight? Microsoft's bitnet b1.58 does exactly that, using 6.5 times less memory, 12 times less energy, and running twice as fast on a plain CPU. No GPU required. I analyzed 38 sources, including Microsoft's original research papers, peer-reviewed publications, and real user benchmarks from Reddit to bring you this breakdown. In this video, I'll explain exactly how 1.58-bit models work, why they're not just another compression trick, and what this means for the future of AI on your devices. Standard large language models use 16-bit floating-point weights. That means every single parameter in the model can take on one of 65,536 possible values. Now multiply that by billions of parameters. A model like GPT-3.5 with 175 billion parameters needs roughly 350 gigabytes just to store its weights in 16-bit precision. The AI industry's energy consumption is skyrocketing. Data centers powering these models are consuming more electricity than some small countries. The common workaround is something called post-training quantization. You train a full precision model first, then compress it afterward to make it smaller and faster. But this always comes with a quality penalty. It's like photocopying a photograph. Each round of compression loses detail. So here's the question that drives everything in this video. What if instead of compressing after the fact, you could train a model that's tiny from the very beginning and still keep the intelligence? Bitnet b1.58, developed by Microsoft Research and Tsinghua University, restricts every weight in the model to just three values: -1, 0, and +1. That's it. Three options instead of 65,000. The name 1.58-bit comes from information theory. Log base 2 of 3 equals approximately 1.58 bits of information per parameter. That's the math behind the name. Now here's the critical distinction. This is not post-training compression. The model is trained natively with these ternary constraints from scratch. It never knew what 16-bit weights felt like. It learned to be intelligent using only three numbers. The quantization formula is beautifully simple. Take each weight, divide it by the mean absolute value of all weights in that layer, then round to the nearest integer. You get -1, 0, or +1. That's the entire trick. Microsoft uses custom bit linear layers that replace standard linear layers in the transformer architecture. Same structure, radically different weight representation. And you might be wondering, why not just one bit? Microsoft actually tried that first with the original bitnet, but performance suffered significantly. Adding 0 as a third option was the breakthrough. It lets the model silence unimportant connections, which turns out to be crucial for preserving quality. Traditional neural networks spend the vast majority of their compute on matrix multiplication, multiplying huge grids of 16-bit floating-point numbers together. It's computationally expensive and incredibly energy-hungry. With ternary weights, actual multiplication disappears entirely. Multiply by +1, just keep the value. Multiply by -1, flip the sign. Multiply by 0, skip it completely. No floating point multiplication needed at all. That's the key insight. All the heavy computation reduces to simple integer addition and subtraction, operations that are dramatically cheaper at the transistor level. This saves energy on every single inference. Think of it this way. Instead of doing long division by hand, you're just adding and subtracting single-digit numbers. You arrive at essentially the same answer with a fraction of the effort. It's elegantly efficient. This is why bitnet achieves 29 milliseconds of CPU decoding latency compared to 65 milliseconds for Qwen 2.5, more than twice as fast, and uses only 0.028 joules per inference versus 0.347 joules. That's roughly 12 times more energy efficient. In April 2025, Microsoft released bitnet b1.58 2b4t, the first open-source, natively trained 1.58-bit model at scale. 2 billion parameters trained on 4 trillion tokens. Let's talk numbers. Memory usage: 0.4 gigabytes for bitnet versus 2.6 gigabytes for Qwen 2.5. That's 6.5 times less memory than its closest competitor in quality. On math reasoning using the GSM-8K benchmark, bitnet scored 58.38, actually beating Qwen 2.5's 56.79 despite using a fraction of the resources. On Wino Grande common sense reasoning, bitnet scored 71.90 versus 62.83 for Qwen and 59.51 for LLaMA. Those aren't marginal wins. Those are significant gaps. Efficiency gains increase with scale. At 70 billion parameters, the projected throughput advantage jumps to 8.9 times faster than the baseline. The bigger the model, the bigger the advantage. That's a scaling law working in your favor. The implications here are massive. First, true edge AI. Running capable language models on phones, laptops, even IoT devices. No GPU, no cloud connection needed. Microsoft demonstrated it running on an Apple M2 chip. Second, privacy-first AI. If the model runs on your device, your data never leaves your phone. Third, green AI. If a billion queries cost 12 times less energy, that's the difference between powering a small town and a small office. But here are the important caveats. You must use the bitnet.cpp inference framework to get the speed and efficiency benefits. Running the model through standard Hugging Face transformers won't deliver those gains. This is explicitly stated by Microsoft. You also can't convert existing models to 1.58-bit. You have to train from scratch, which is expensive upfront. And current GPU hardware isn't yet optimized for ternary computation. New specialized chips are needed to fully unlock the potential. But the ecosystem is growing fast. GPU support was added in May 2025. Other teams like TII's Falcon Group and PrismML with their Bonsai 8B model are already building on this approach. PrismML's model completed 50 tasks in the same window. A 16-bit model completed only 6. 1.58-bit models represent a fundamental rethinking of how AI can work. Not compression after the fact, but native intelligence built with just 3 values from the ground up. The numbers speak for themselves: 6.5 times less memory, 12 times less energy, and over twice the speed on CPU. If this deep dive helped you, consider subscribing. I analyze dozens of sources on every topic so you don't have to. Drop a comment and let me know. Would you run a 1.58-bit model on your own hardware? Links to the model and framework are in the description. Thanks for watching.